And welcome back to Tomb Raider Anniversary. This is Lady Hawk, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. We stopped here last time in front of this big door, and so let's go ahead and keep going. Alright. Okay, so let's roll through these. Ooh! Did pretty well on that. Okay. This pressure plate right here, it seems, so... Whoa. Okay, so I think I have to lift those two. Tab. Okay, here we go. Let's go down. Items. Here we go. Use.
There must be a way to open this door.
Well, that's kind of obvious, but yeah. Alright, let's do it. Where are you, wolfies? There you all are. Any more? No? Let's go up here. What's up here? Okay, I see it, I see it. And okay, there's one. We got one. Hooray. Okay, we got one. Oh, we have a time limit. There is a time limit. Go. Jump. Another wolfie. Shoot. Okay. Okay. Let's get there before it stops. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No? Okay. Oh, I have a feeling we're not gonna make it because I was too slow. No? Come on, come on, come on. What am I supposed to do? Oh, backwards. Duh. Okay, that was cool. Okay. We got it. Okay. Fall. Ah, we did it. We did it. Checkpoint! Alright. I heard snarling right there at the end. I hope I'm not the only one who saw that. Okay, well... We didn't find any relics, but we found all 3 artifacts. We got a bunch of supplies and a bunch of kills. Didn't seem like we did too badly. Alright, let's keep going. Unlocks. I didn't unlock anything. Okay. Yeah, might as well. Yes. Okay. Holy shiza! Okay, press R mouse to lock onto enemies to perform special maneuvers like adrenaline dodge and headshot. Okay. When an enraged enemy lunges and the screen blurs, move in a direction and press shift to perform an adrenaline dodge. Keep your distance in order to execute a successful dodge. Ow! That didn't work. Okay. Okay, that was... I did the adrenaline dodge the in, but I tried to press to the side first and it didn't really work. But hey, we killed our first bear. Our second bear. It is our second bear, isn't it? Jump towards the vertical column. Cool. Wish I could shimmy like that. Ow, this would hurt though. Okay. How am I supposed to do this? Do some climbing. What do? I can't jump this distance. No? Maybe I don't know. What am I supposed to do here? It's probably super obvious and I'm just missing it. Oh, yep. Ah. Maybe better late than never, right? Okay. No. There we go. City of Vilcabamba. Vilcabamba. I like that. Vilcabamba. Ooh, this is pretty. Big upgrade from last time. All of them? Or are there more? This is really pretty. I like this. I like it a lot. Oh, there's another bear though. I don't know where, but I hear it. I bet he's in here. Oh, nope, he's right there. He's right there. And he's super pissed off now. Are you not gonna come at me, bro? Alright. He wasn't gonna come at me, so I killed him. I'll go down there later. Can I not open this? Guess not. Here's where the bear was, I guess. But the glitch! But this, I can't open that, can I? No? Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's just go this way. A button! Or no, it's a key. I don't have a key though, do I? No, I sure do not. Alright. Alright, I guess we have to go down here and find a key. How do I swim? Press. How do I swim down? Shift to dive. Okay, here we are. What was that? Oh, come on. I'm about to drown. Up. Swim! Ah! What are you doing? Oh my god. She's not... She's not swimming! She wasn't swimming. I was pressing the buttons. She was not swimming. What the heck, Lara? Great. Now we have to go... Oh no. I'll deal with Mr. Bear later. See, I was doing this. I was pressing the space bar to go... Oh, there's a... Oh, there's a fish right there. That's what that was. Oh. That's why I couldn't go up. Okay, that makes more sense now why I couldn't go up. I was panicking though. Okay, I don't want to fall right here. There's a bear out there right now that I'll take care of later. Yep, there he is. Maybe I can shoot him from here. Oh, it's too far. Oh! in there? There's a skull in there! Okay. I don't want to do that just yet. The bear's right there, man. Bears can kill me. Okay. No, go down. Thank you. Oh, something shiny. What is this? Shotgun ammo. I'm excited to get a shotgun. What is this? It's a really big key. Got it. Checkpoint. Nothing over here. Okay, well, let's go meet Mr. Smoky the Bear. Good, he's glitched. No, no, no! Ah! Y'all didn't hear anything. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Yes. It's a huge key. Wolfies! Where are you, Wolfies? Ow. Okay. They got me a little bit. Alright. This is pretty cool. You know, I really like this place. This place is beautiful. You know, minus the bears and the wolves, but hey, this is a beautiful place. Whoa. I hope there's not like a shark or anything down there. I don't remember there being a shark, but you never know. I don't see anything down there. But you never know. Go. Yeah, I don't see anything down there. I can... The music is getting kind of scary. Oh! Hi, bats! Haven't seen no in a while. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we made it to the mechanisms. Oh! Alright, welcome back. Sorry about that. My mic actually got unplugged, so I had to come back and re-record this part. But, yeah, I figured out what to do, so you'll be spared the pain of watching me struggle to figure out how to do this, so... It was really quite simple, just a poorly timed jump, and it threw me off for the old thing, so I was running around here for about 10 minutes or so, and realized, oh, the thing I tried earlier is actually what you're supposed to do, I just did it wrong. So, here we are, we're back, and I know what to do, so we'll be through this really quick. I filmed probably a good 10 minutes or so more than what I have right now before, and then I tried to, you know, watch the playback, and it, my mic somehow got disconnected at the very end. No, don't fall! Darn it. Alright, got it. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's pretty awesome. Alright. Let's go through here. Then the creepy music returns. Huh. Okay. There's a wolf down here. Not a nice wolfie. I can't get the freaking dodge thing down. I don't know what it is, but I cannot seem to do it right. We're gonna push this puppy. It's not pushing. Well, it is pushing, but it's not the direction I want it to go. There we go. Push. Get out. There. Okay. Okay. I wish I could do that. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Nope. Okay. I'll just have to do what I did last time. Every time the music makes that noise, it sounds like a freaking motorcycle in like where I'm at. So I keep thinking it's a motorcycle. And then I'm like, there's another motorcycle, and I remember, no, it's the music. It's not a motorcycle. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Well. Sorry again about the mic, but and we didn't find the artifact. I don't know where that artifact was. I never even saw a place where it could be, but if you did, tell me in the comments. Sorry about that. There weren't any relics, so we were okay with that. And I've found that we didn't complete the time trial for the last episode either, so I'm actually going to try to work on that and try to get through these a little bit faster. But thank you for another great episode, and leave a like, subscribe, and tell me again what things I could do in the comments to make this better for y'all. But thank you again, and I will. So my mic cut off again, like the last 2 seconds of the video. I think I have to just let it run for a few seconds after I finish talking, so it won't do that. But yeah, thank you guys again for a great video, and I will see you next time.